Hello, welcome to some barbecue. Let's make some piri panna. Okay, so I've got a little bit leftover tri-tip that I'm slicing up and then cubing up. As you saw, I actually cut it along the grain to start with. Doesn't matter when you make small cubes, any which way. I've also got 2 sausages that I'm cutting into small pieces. Those are lamb sausages with quite a nice taste. And then melting a little bit of ghee in a skillet, adding the meat into that, and it's time to start with the carb side of it. So I'm using cabbage, which is low carb or no carb or whatever, cutting it into small pieces and throwing that into another pan. In this I'm having a little bit of ghee because it was all gone, and then a little bit of coconut oil. Anyway, frying it up. While that's getting blanched, I'm cutting up 2 mozzarella cheeses, a little bit of blue cheese and a little bit of regular hard cheese into small chunks. Adding the meat to the cabbage that is done, and then adding the cheese to this. Adding a 1/4 cup or about half a deciliter of cream just to sauce it up, and letting it stew in its own heat in the skillet. This is what it turned out like. Might not be the prettiest, but it was the goodest. Time for a taste test. There we go, some cabbage, tri-tip, cheese and cream casserole. 1-pot meal or whatever. Either way, it's good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.